Starting July 15, 2025, the UK is replacing visa stickers with eVisas. In this video, we talk about how it will affect you when you travel to the UK.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
The United Kingdom is making a major change to its immigration process. Starting July 15, 2025, physical visa stickers will be replaced by digital eVisas for all new visa applicants, including international students. If you're planning to study in the UK, it's important to understand what this change means and how to prepare. An eVisa is a digital record of your immigration status. Instead of a visa sticker inside your passport, your visa will now be stored online and linked electronically to your passport. Once your visa is approved, you will no longer receive a vignette. Instead, you'll get a visa decision letter and instructions to create a UK visas and immigration account. Your UK visas and immigration account will allow you to view your visa details, prove your status, and update any changes. To avoid delays or problems when traveling to the UK, make sure you've done the following. 1. Set up your UK VI account. You must create a UK VI account to access and manage your eVisa. Make sure you remember your login details and keep your contact information up to date. 2. Match your eVisa with your passport. Border officers will check your eVisa by scanning your passport, so it's essential that the passport number on your eVisa matches the one you're using to travel, and, if you renew your passport after your visa is approved, update your new passport details in your UK VI account before flying. 3. Carry supporting documents. Even though your visa is now digital, you should still bring your passport and a printed or digital copy of your visa decision letter. This ensures you can show evidence of your visa if needed at the border. 4. Prepare for university, housing, and job checks. Your eVisa will be used by universities and colleges to confirm your right to study, landlords to verify your right to rent, and employers to confirm your right to work. These organizations will access your status via the UK system, so always ensure your account details are correct and current. 5. Follow your visa conditions. Once in the UK, it's important to comply with all visa requirements, such as attending your classes, reporting any changes in your circumstances, and sticking to your permitted work hours. Failure to follow the rules could lead to your visa being curtailed or affect your eligibility for a post-study visa. The move to digital visas is designed to make immigration easier, but only if you're prepared. Have you registered for the UK eVisa? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your Visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.